Hi guys, and welcome to Uwrench. Today we're working on the Grand Caravan, the Mark V, same applies for the Chrysler Town & Country. And in this video we're going to be showing you how to remove this panel on the end of your dashboard. Now when it comes to removal of internal trims, it's best to use a proper trim tool. Yes, you can do it with a flat-headed screwdriver, but of course a flat-headed screwdriver is very hard and so it can deform and damage your plastic. So a better tool to use is a proper trim tool like this, and these aren't very expensive. You can pick these up for a few dollars on Amazon. And to make it easy for you, we'll add some links to the very best deals on similar types of tools into the video description below. These are well worth picking up, they last for years, and they make the job a lot easier. So if you need to check those out, be sure to have a look at that link. So to remove our panel here, I've got our trim tool ready. What you can do is, because we've got this little vent in there, you can actually use that to kind of flex it forward a little bit. Just helps you get that trim tool in behind there. And all you're looking to do is just get that in behind and gently pop it off, prise it kind of forward. Like that. So I've disengaged a couple of the clips down here, which we've got one in the top, the slightly trickier one. What you want to do to disengage this one is try and get your fingers in as tight to the clip as you can. So rather than trying to pull the whole thing where you might snap it by creating a long lever, try and get your fingers in nice and close behind this clip. And this is all you are popping off. It's a series of clips, there's 4 of them, just around the outside there. And as I mentioned, the top one is by far the trickiest. That one kind of stays in the longest. In case you need it, here's the part number. This is for the left hand side. And then to refit this panel, what we want to do is just tuck this edge in at the back. First of all, make sure that sits in there. And then this is the that top one is the trickiest one. Make sure you line that up. Make sure the others look good. And if they do, put that top one in. And then pop all 4 of those clips in, and that's refitted. So there we have it. That is how to remove and refit your dashboard end panel. If it's been helpful for you, we always ask you take 1 second out of your busy schedule just to hit that like button before you leave us here on YouTube. Likewise, be sure to check out our channel. We've got loads more great content for the Grand Caravan just waiting for you to take a look at. We appreciate it. We'll see you on the next video.